Model 2018 Ford Transit Custom 270L1H1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi ULEZ compliant spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 120206 MOT, 1 June 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very easy and common fix. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401